the 2014 Toyota Tacoma. This is a double cab pickup truck with an automatic transmission. This four-wheel drive pickup truck is well equipped. This Toyota features alloy wheels, four-wheel drive, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include navigation system, Bluetooth wireless, and satellite radio. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.